Hello traders, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to speak about the new tax rules which is going to come for future and options trade. So as of now, trading in futures and options has been considered as a business income. But in the upcoming budget, it is said that they're going to change this from business income to speculative income. Usually for what do we say a speculative income? When you buy lottery ticket, you make a small bet. It is called a speculative income. Recently, even for crypto investment, they have considered this as a speculative investment. Now, let me quickly give you my view about changing future and option transaction from business income to speculative income. The first thing I'm going to speak about the point of view of retail traders. Now, when you say this is not a business, it is a speculative investment, that means you're treating this as a lottery ticket. Lottery ticket or gambling is not a game of skill where you just bet to get something big. Now, I personally feel treating stock market as a gambling according to me is wrong. Now let me tell you why. Now there is a very famous cricket app. When you make any kind of betting in this particular app, it is not considered as a speculative income. Why it is not considered as a speculative income or betting? Because they consider this as a game of skill where users use their knowledge and expertise to create their team and compete against others. The outcome of the game is not dependent on chance, but rather on the user's ability to make informed decision. So what do they mean by this? This means anyone who's seriously following cricket look into all the data, they can take better decisions and place their betting, right? So this is a game of skill. Same way I believe even stock market is a game of skill. For example, in our free Telegram channel, regularly, I just share my view. On Friday, while speaking about Bank Nifty, I said when Bank Nifty was at this level, I said market is respecting 236 level. Do not plan for a put now until you see a follow through. Now, what happened in Bank Nifty on Friday? From this level, it moved towards the upside. Only after the follow through, the movement continued. So with what logic did I say this? This is based on the skill which I gathered over time. Not necessary it has to be accurate all the time, right? We can be wrong because market is all about probability. But how many times are you going to have the right view? That depends based on experience. Now let's go back to any other day also. Here I said Bank Nifty is respecting the support, but my view about the market is bearish. So I'm not going to plan for any kind of trade. Here, Bank Nifty move towards the upside. So I did not plan any trade. This also we can say it is based on experience. So we are taking better decisions. Okay, let me show you one or two more examples. Okay, on 19th, I said Nifty from this level, it can move towards the downside, respect the final support. From here, it can reverse. Now what happened in Nifty? Nifty came here, took support and it reversed. Now let me give you one more example. Here I shared Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty has broken the day's high. Nifty is respecting the day's high. So call option traders, time to book profit or at least trail your SL. This is the last chance. Why? We are expecting a trend reversal here. If you see here, this happened. Now since I've been looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for a long duration, I feel I'll be able to take better decision. So there is no any randomness here. That is why I say even stock market has to be treated as a game of skill and not a speculative income. Now one of the main reason why they're considering this as a speculative income is because the government is considering various options to discourage retail traders participate in future and option segment. So from business income, if they change it to speculative income, this will include tax deduction at source. But how many of the retail traders will stop trading because of this new rule? Because many people with 10,000, they have a mindset of making 20,000, 30,000 when they come to future and options. So their idea will be to make more profit so that this tax doesn't matter. So they might increase trading more so that they can make enough income, pay these additional taxes. In turn, this will increase the amount of trades which people will do. That is my personal opinion. Please tell me your view in the comment section. Previously, how it was, there was a tax slab, right? When it is a business income, 5%, 20%, 30% based on the income which you make. For everybody, if you say 30% is TDS, it is going to be very difficult for others. Instead of reducing the amount of trade a person is taking, people will start trading more because net to net they're going to pay 30%. So this will reduce their overall profits. So to compensate that, people will start taking more trades. So what will happen then? Government will start getting more income from this. If you really want retail traders not to participate in future and option trade because 19 to 95% of the people are making losses based on the data, then you need to keep some barriers. For example, you need to give necessary tools for people which is mandatory for them to learn and complete. For example, you can give them basic to advanced level course for free, for which they will have an examination. After examination, there has to be one more barrier. That is, you need to be paper trading for at least 6 months. After 6 months, in that if you are able to be profitable, you will have license to trade. So like this barrier, if you create, this will set off a lot of people not coming into the market. As of now, it's very easy for anyone to trade in the stock market, but when you set more barriers, it will filter out who are not ready to learn before they start trading. Traders, you see, recently I made an announcement, right, where I'm going to share all my strategies for free of cost. When I'm able to do this, definitely they can do with the resources what they have. So I'm doing my part by giving things for free. The link is there in the description. Those who want, you can go and check it out. Now this Nifty, Bank Nifty view, which I keep sharing in the market, is basically based on price action, stop loss hunting, and all of these concepts. After learning the concept, just like I said before, you need to practice for 6 months. Why you need to do this? Because you need to get real world experience. You see, there is a doctor. First, they will have all these exams. Later, they have to have real world situation training, right? So for 1 year, 2 years, many people in India, after completing the exam, they work in a government hospital, gain all those experience, real world experience. Only then they are eligible to be a doctor. If you do paper trading for 6 months, in that you are profitable, real market situation, you're not losing any money in paper trading, right? Then you're coming into the market. That time you can make more informed decisions. Maybe during the 6 months, it will be a training period for you to build your own strategy from what you learned. At the same time, you can develop a better psychology when it comes to trading in the live market. All of these things you can learn over a period of 6 months. So when these kind of barriers are created, then we can say yes, the initiative is genuine. We have set certain barriers so that random people do not enter the market. So within 6 months after paper trading, if the psychology is developed, maybe over a period of time, the amount of people making losses in the market also will reduce. See, with my knowledge, I'm saying this is a method. There might be better methods also. Now, traders, before I conclude this video, as of now, this is not a confirmed news. Maybe as of now, they're saying 30% tax. When the announcement come, maybe they will just say 5% TDS or 10% TDS. People will start considering this as a good news. So to conclude, as of now, it is just a rumor. If government say we need to pay 30%, nothing can be done. But if you ask me, will it reduce the amount of people trading? Definitely, according to me, it will not. All we can do right now is just wait, let the real announcement come out. Based on that, we will see what's going to happen next.